Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on GAIL India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on GAIL India with an increased price target of Rs 150 as we roll over our valuation multiple to September 2025 earnings estimate. GAIL has multiple earning growth tailwinds across its business segment. First, gas transmission to benefit from higher tariff and volumes. Second, sustained robust gas marketing margin given GAIL's US LNG contracts are available at steep discount to Asian spot LNG prices. Third, petchem to turn around on improved utilization, soft LNG price and gradual improvement in realization. And fourth, LPG margin to improve from APM gas price cap and improving LPG price which is linked to propane price which has shown increase in last 2-3 months and expected to further rise during winters. Overall, we expect GAIL's PAT to clock robust 29% CAGR over 23 to FY26 earnings, which is one of the best among earnings growth among oil and gas PSUs. Along with healthy ROE of 16%, GAIL valuation is also attractive at 6.6 times FY25 earnings and 5.9 times FY26 earnings EV by EBITDA. And the stocks offer a healthy dividend yield of 4 to 5%. Next on radar is Eicher Motors. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Eicher Motors with an unchanged target price of Rs 3,855 on account of its leadership position in premium motorcycle segment, rising premiumization and its focus on balanced growth. RE is expected to sustain its improved performance in the domestic market and its performance in the overseas market is expected to improve gradually. The management assumes that its long experience and customer-centric approach would help it in countering any new competition in the premium segment. Stock trades at price to equity multiple of 23.9 times its FY25 estimated earnings. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.